Good morning children, myself Rajesh Dikruz. Welcome to the e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Bettiah. Children, today we will have Geography Chapter 8. Standard 8. Topic we are going to say human resources. Human means population of the country. The population of the country is its greatest resource. That means already we know the resource, the things all around we find, they all are of our use. They all are called resource. Their value we come to know when they are needed by us. So, the real value of the goods are as the goods, the things are utilized by us. So everything in the surroundings is a resource, but most of the important resource is a human being. The people of a country are its real resource, but it is a real resource when the person is healthy. It means if a person have got a good health, it means it is a great resource. It is they who make use of available resources. That means we people are the greatest resource. If we are healthy, then we can use all these resources and utilize it. Without us, the things cannot be used. For example, if there is a computer, it cannot work itself. If there is a tractor, it cannot move itself. To run it, people, drivers are required. Children are being taught in the school. They cannot be taught if teachers are not there. So, the tractor, the teacher, whatever things are utilized by the people, they are a real resource. The all-around development of a country, its progress and optimum utilization of a resource depend more on the quality of its population. So the goods, the things all over the world, it depends on the population. The population should be wealthy, it should be talented, skillful, knowledge and trained. Then a person becomes a great resource. Example, the country which have a developed, they have got population. They have less population, but they are a developed country. Why? Because the people of those countries are talented, they are educated, they are skillful, they are trained, and also they are wealthy and healthy. But the country which are developing or not developed, it has got the great populations, but the country is not developed because the people are not healthy. The people are not talented. There are a great illiteracy rate. People are not educated. They are not skillful. That is why we say that that country gets developed in which the people are educated. Okay, some of the things, important things we will see. They must get balanced and nutritious food. A person to be a good resource, his health should be very good. Then only it can earn for himself and for the country. To become a healthy, he should have balanced and nutritious food. They should be literate with a technical, vocational and professional skill. A person who is educated skillful and he has got professional skills, he can be a great resource than that person who is not educated and skillful. A person should be hardworking and understand the dignity of a manual labor. They must be provided with a suitable technology and machines to increase production. A country which have got developed, in that country there is less population, but the person who is a farmer, he utilizes machinery goods, new technical machines and produces a good amount of crops. And because of that, that country had developed. So, a person should be technically and knowledgeable, and he should be managed by the machines. They should be trained to provide workforce outside the country and bring back wealth, technology and intellectual resources. Humans are greatest resource of a country. With their knowledge, skill and available technology. So as I am talking about that humans are a great resource of a country. That country can be developed which have got educated people, talented people and skillful people. And developing country and undeveloped country are backwards because people are not educated, not skillful and not talented. Okay children, so I will stop it here today. Again we will have next video with the next topic. So as I said that human beings are the great resource and it is the most important resource of the world. So the resource persons, the people should be educated and talented. Again we will have the next video with the next topic. Children, the lesson I have completed. You write the question answer with the objective and submit it for the corrections. Till then, bye bye.